Good morning, cadets. I would like to extend a hearty welcome to this year's batch of class 12th. And today, I would like to deliver introductory lecture on the syllabus of English core for the class 12th. So this year, due to pandemic, a lot of changes have been made in the question paper. More emphasis has been given on multiple choice questions. So it is very important for us to understand the question pattern and prescribed syllabus which has been there for the year 2020-21. Now the second wave once again has come into being, and the number of cases of infection going up day by day. Therefore, there is possibility that the reduced syllabus may be retained even for the next year. Keeping that in view, we'll go ahead with the reduced syllabus. In case if they add the deleted topics, then we can take up those topics later. At first, let's understand what is there in your syllabus and how the question paper is going to be. Now this year there are two parts. Earlier it used to be sections. Section A, which is to be devoted for reading section. Section B for writing section. And the last section of the question paper, it is to for textbooks. That's a literature section. So we had three sections. The question paper was for 80 marks. But now the pattern is changed. Now the question paper is divided into two parts. Part A, wherein the questions are only multiple choice questions. Whereas part B, we come across subjective type of questions. So part A totally devoted for objective type of questions, and part B for subjective type of questions. So that in the part A includes reading section and literature, whereas part B includes writing section and literature. Part A is for 40 marks, and all the questions which are there in part A, they are of multiple choice questions. Out of 40 marks, 20 marks are devoted for comprehension. So here let's see here, reading comprehension is for 20 marks, and there are going to be two reading comprehension passages. Remaining 20 marks, it is for literature. So the first passage will carry the weightage of 10 marks. There are going to be 11 questions, and you have to attempt 10 questions out of 11 questions. So multiple choice questions based on one unseen passage to assess comprehension. Comprehension, your understanding. Interpretation, how do you interpret that, and how do you inference. So vocabulary and inference of meaning will also be assessed. The passage may be factual, descriptive, or literary. 10 out of 11 questions to be done. So there will be 11 questions and you have to attempt 10 questions. The second passage, multiple choice questions based on one unseen case based factual passage. Second one is going to be case based with verbal or visual inputs like statistical data, charts, newspaper report, etc. And here again 10 out of 11 questions to be done. So totally it will be of 20 marks. So 11 questions will be there and you have to attempt 10 questions. The combined word limit for both the passages will be 700 to 750 words. Remember that the first passage is going to be factual, descriptive or literary passage. Whereas the second one is going to be again factual passage, but it is going to be case based. So you may come across analytical passage there in the case of second one. Now here what is there? Statistical data is given, charts are given or newspaper reports. So one of these verbal or visual inputs will be provided and then you have to attempt multiple choice questions on these passages. So reading comprehension is going to be of 20 marks. And all the questions, they are going to be objective type, multiple choice questions. In part A, the second part is going to be of literature. It's based on textbook. So that will be for 20 marks. And all the questions are going to be multiple choice questions. Now here the third question is going to be multiple choice questions based on two prose extracts. One each from the books. Remember the first question which is going to be there, first and second passages, they are going to be unseen passages. Whereas the remaining 20 marks, it's going to be on the basis of the texts. So textbooks. And you have this year two textbooks. One is a main course book, that is Flamingo, and another one non-detailed textbook, that is Vistas. Flamingo, we have 5 chapters and 5 poems, whereas in Vistas, we have 5 chapters. So totally there are going to be 10 chapters and 5 poems. So multiple choice questions. So the third question is going to be multiple choice questions based on two prose extracts, one each from the books Flamingo and Vistas. So one prose extract is going to be from Flamingo and another one from Vistas to assess your comprehension, your understanding and appreciation, how you are going to appreciate or criticize the text. Refer to the lines to answer questions based on the given extract. Any 2 out of 3 extracts to be done. So there will be 3 extracts which will be given and you have to attempt 2 questions. So again here it is going to be of how many marks? It's going to be of 8 marks, 8 into 1. Fourth question, and that too in part A, is going to be multiple choice question based on a poetry extract from the book Flamingo to assess comprehension, analysis and inference. Refer to the lines to answer questions based on the given extract. Any 1 out of 2 extracts to be done. So there will be 2 extracts from poems. And how many poems are there? There are totally 5 poems. And it's going to be of 4 marks. So the marks which are allotted 4 marks, 2 extracts will be given. So there is an internal choice. Out of those 2 extracts, you have to attempt only 1. Now question number 6. After 4th, it will be 5th. Text-based questions to assess comprehension, analysis, inference and interpretation from the books Flamingo and Vistas. 8 out of 10 questions to be done. So here text-based questions. And how many questions are going to be there? There are going to be 8 questions. And again, these are going to be on Flamingo and Vistas. So remember all the chapters which are there. Now we have only 5 chapters from Flamingo and 5 chapters from Vistas, and remaining 3 chapters each have been deleted in both these textbooks. And in the case of poetry section, 1 poem is deleted. So we have totally 5 poems. Now next we'll go to the part B. So part B is going to be subjective type questions, and part B 40 marks. Part B is for 40 marks. So at first we have writing section. That writing section is for 16 marks. First and second question, they are on short compositions, short writing task, either notice or advertisement. So you have to be thorough with both notice and advertisement. Now here notice, you are familiar with that, it's going to be for 3 marks. Now advertisements, either classified advertisement or commercial advertisement. One out of the 2 given questions to be answered, and it is for 3 marks. So format carries 1 mark, content carries 1 mark, and expression carries 1 mark. So second short composition or short writing task is going to be invitation and reply. So formal or informal invitation and replies to those invitations. So one question will be on invitation and another question will be on reply. So there is again internal choice there. One out of the 2 given questions to be answered. These short compositions are for 3 marks. So totally 6 marks. Then we have long compositions. And both these questions carry 5 marks. Letters based on verbal or visual input to be answered in approximately 120 to 150 words. Letter types include application for a job, letters to the editor giving suggestions or opinion on issues of public interest. One out of the 2 given questions to be answered. So marks, how much? 5 marks. Format carries 1 mark, content carries 2 marks, and expression carries 2 marks. So here the last question in long composition is going to be either article writing or report writing. Again, there is internal choice. You can opt for article writing or you can opt for report writing. So report writing, again, newspaper report or school magazine report. Descriptive and analytical in nature, based on verbal inputs to be answered in 120 to 150 words. One out of the 2 given questions to be answered. So this carries how much? 5 marks. Now let's move on to the next section, that is literature section, and literature section is going to be for 24 marks. So we have seen in part A, literature section is going to be for 20 marks. And in part B, wherein you have to write subjective answers, it is going to be for 24 marks. So totally the textbooks is going to be for 44 marks. And remember, 20 marks for ASL. Question number 6. 5 short answer type questions out of 6 from prose and poetry from the book Flamingo to be answered in 30 to 40 words. Questions should elicit inferential responses through critical thinking. So there are going to be 5 questions and each question carries the weightage of 2 marks. So totally it is for 10 marks. And all these questions are going to be from which textbook? Flamingo, main course book. Then you have the next question, 2 short answer type question out of 3 from prose vistas to be answered in 30 to 40 words. So 2 questions from vistas. So here the weightage is going to be 4 marks. Questions should elicit inferential responses through critical thinking. So there are going to be only 2 questions from vistas. Now question number 8, 1 long answer type question from prose or poetry, Flamingo, to be answered in 120 to 150 words to assess global comprehension and extrapolation beyond the text. Questions to provide evaluative, and analytical responses using incidents, events, themes as a reference points. Any one out of two questions to be done. So it is going to be for 5 marks. So long answer type question which is going to be for 5 marks. Remember you have to write very long answer here, 120 to 150 words. That means at least 15 to 20 words, 15 to 20 lines you have to write. Okay. Question number 9 is going to be on vistas. One long answer type question based on the chapters from the book Vistas to be answered in 120 to 150 words to assess global comprehension and extrapolation beyond the text. Questions to provide evaluative and analytical response using incidents, events, themes as reference points. Any one out of two questions to be done. So two long answer type, 5 plus 5, 10. Then 5 questions, that is again 10 marks, 20. And two short answer type questions, 4 marks. So totally here the literature section wherein you have to attempt subjective type of questions, there it is going to be for 24 marks. Therefore, you have to study Flamingo, which is a main course book in detail, as well as Vistas, which is a non-detailed textbook. So this year you have to study in detail because there are going to be multiple choice questions. So let's just look at this. So in part A, what all we have? In part A, all the questions are going to be multiple choice questions. What are they going to be? They are going to be multiple choice questions, and part A carries 40 marks. So reading comprehension, 20 marks, wherein there are 2 passages. Each passage carries 10 marks. So totally it's going to be of 20 marks. Then we have literature section in part A, which is again going to be of 20 marks. There we have 3 questions. First one, it's going to be 8. There are going to be 3 extracts, and you have to attempt 2 extracts. And 1 question exclusively on poetry, 4 marks. Then we have the questions on Flamingo and Vistas, which is going to be of 8 marks. Okay, so here all these questions are going to be multiple choice questions, and therefore you have to do thorough study this year of English textbooks. Next, we have part B, which is going to be a subjective type of questions there. And how much marks are allotted here? 40 marks. Writing section, 16 marks. We have 2 short compositions. Both of them carry 3 marks each. Then we have long compositions. One is letter to the editor, or here application. So there is going to be internal choice, application for a job or letter to the editor. Then again we have got one more long composition, either article writing or report writing, because there is again internal choice there. They have tried to simplify it. Like we know that what is going to be there in the exam. Notice is going to be there, invitation is going to be there, letter writing is going to be there, article writing, and all these are very important for your study. So you have to study all these in detail because there are going to be compulsory questions on all these tasks. Okay, then we have literature section. Again here we find that the subjective type of questions have been asked, and this carries 24 marks. Okay, question 6, question 7, both these are short type of answers expected, whereas question number 8 and question number 9, long answer type questions will be asked. So remember here, this year you have to study in detail both the textbooks, Flamingo as well as Vistas, and you have to improve your language skills as well as your writing skills. I hope this year you start studying right from the beginning itself, because in the multiple choice questions, the questions may come from any page or any part of the story. So, therefore, it's a very important to do thorough study of both these textbooks. Thank you. Goodbye.